so light behind it, you can't really get that shot very well.
Wait, stop.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
It turned to white.
It's turning into, yeah.
There we go. Yeah.
That's not bad. See, I got the whole thing.
I have never seen that.
why
That's
do I have
really
it on macro?
cool. Usually you do the drip, but that's really cool.
It's just introduction of water.
Yeah.
Literally what the purpose is to proof the spirit down or cut the alcohol content. That way it opens the spirit up. You can get more of those secondary botanicals, really taste all of the other things that are there. So beyond the fennel, the anise, the grand wormwood, like the holy trinity, what makes absinthe, lemon balm, hyssop, stinging nettles, mint, tarragon, really herbaceous, multi-layered, amazing. From what looks like extra virgin olive oil to what looks like mint milk. From what looks like, certainly in the late 1800s, I mean, it's pretty insane. I mean, this was magic. Even frozen water would have been like, holy shit, what is that? Beyond the fact that I just made a spirit that looks this way turned into this. Like, oh my god, I just pulled a bunny rabbit out of a hat. It's got floppy ears and everything. Anyway, but it's true. So I'm gonna